Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Introduction to Machine Learning. Teaching computers to learn. Imagine teaching a dog a trick. You show it what to do, reward it when it's right, and correct it when it's wrong. Machine learning is similar. We give computers data, tell them what to look for, and they learn patterns on their own, without explicit programming for every scenario. There are three main types. Supervised learning. Like teaching a dog, you provide examples and the correct answers. Unsupervised learning. Letting the dog explore and find patterns on its own. And reinforcement learning. Rewarding the dog for good behavior. Like a game. Think of it as building a recipe. You give the computer many examples, ingredients and the final dish. It learns the recipe, relationship between ingredients and dish, and can predict the final dish based on new ingredients. This is like predicting house prices from size and location. Imagine grouping similar candies together. You don't have predefined categories, but you can group them based on color, shape, or size. Unsupervised learning helps computers find similar groups in data, such as customer segmentation based on purchase history. This is like playing a game. The computer learns through trial and error, receiving rewards for good moves and penalties for bad ones. It learns the best strategy by maximizing its rewards. Examples include self-driving cars learning to navigate roads. Machine learning models are only as good as the data they are trained on. Garbage in, garbage out. We need clean, relevant, and representative data to build effective models. Think of it like a chef needing the right ingredients for a delicious dish. We'll use libraries like scikit-learn in Python. This involves 1. Preparing your data, cleaning and organizing. 2. Choosing a model based on the type of learning and problem. 3. Training the model, feeding it data. 4. Evaluating its performance, checking accuracy. We'll explore popular Python libraries like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch in upcoming lessons. These libraries provide pre-built tools and functions to simplify the process of building and training machine learning models. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.